I'm going to cook spaghetti. These are the ingredients: onion, garlic, sausage, meatballs, mushroom, and ready meat spaghetti sauce. Okay, to begin, I'm going to put oil and saute the onion and garlic. On the other side, we can already cook the sausage. This is my version, but sometimes I put vegetables like carrots and bell peppers cut into very small pieces. And also use fresh tomatoes or fresh ground meat. But at the moment, I only have this spaghetti sauce bolognese. To make things cook faster. And the garlic. Don't forget the garlic. Need to cook very good the sausage. It's already cooked the sausage, but I want to let it become a little bit brown. It's all cooked already, even the meatballs, it's all already cooked. It's only to make all brown. I just blended carrots and bell pepper because it will taste better with this. I will also add fresh tomatoes. I'm going to make it more taste better. Now I'm adding fresh tomatoes. Now I'm going to put salt and pepper for seasoning. This is Himalayan salt that I always use. And white pepper. Now we can add spaghetti sauce, bolognese. If you don't have this, you can also use ground meat that you're going to saute before. Ground meat and tomato sauce is also good. And then I put around half cup of water just to use all of this sauce, and then we can lower the fire. Can put more pepper. I also put cheese with the sauce. So this is our spaghetti sauce. For the spaghetti, I will just boil it tomorrow, or you can make it separate the sauce, and then every time you want to eat spaghetti, you already have a ready sauce. You can also put this in the freezer. want to taste a little bit. To know. And sometimes I use ketchup if after I mix it with the spaghetti, I want more taste of or for the color, then I put more ketchup. So that is for tomorrow when I make the noodles, the spaghetti noodles. So this is our spaghetti sauce. Thanks for watching.